Today I'm showing my niece Kaeli how to make a pizza.
To make the dough, I'll be using 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of yeast. Now we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of hot water. Now we mix. With your clean hands, you're gonna knead the dough for 10 minutes. And if it's too sticky, sprinkle in a little bit of flour. Thea's helping me knead the dough. And we let it rest for 30 minutes.
And we'll be using queso Oaxaca from Los Altos Foods.
We're not gonna roll it out, we're gonna stretch it out. Now I'll be using store-bought pizza sauce. Now preheat your oven to 400.
Our pizzas are ready to bake. Time to enjoy. Mmm.